Flying in Iceland is very enjoyable. Here's a flight we did last August 2024, flying with my father and uncle Haukur, Snorri and there's Garðar, and my son Jón Andri, who's almost 4 at that time. He really enjoys airplanes. We had an excellent day and enjoyed the views of my...
Pappi, líka Haukur?
Já, and enjoyed the views of Iceland.
Pappi, þú glemdi að hafa Haukur.
Já, ég að taka upp.
Gold teeth and a curse for this town are all in my mouth. Only I don't know how they got out. You turned me back into the bed I was when we met. I was happier then with no mindset. And if you turn to me like a girl takes to the wind, oh, I'd have jumped from my trees and died and danced like a king of the ice. So the rest of our lives were fed well. New slang when you notice the stripes, the dirt in your fries. Hope it's right when you die, old and bony. Dawn breaks like a bolt through the hall. Never should have called, but my head's to the wall and I'm lonely. And if you turn to me like...
Komdu bara, við skulum sjá. Sjáum svo að fara út að pissa. Allir strákar þau út að pissa.
Trees and guys dance like a king of the ice. So the rest of our lives will Godspeed, all the beggars at dawn. May they all cut their thumbs and bleed into their buns till they melt away. I'm looking in on the good life I might do never to find. Without trust, the flaming fields and I'm too dumb to refine. And if you turn to me like one, I did hands like a queen of the ice. So as the rest of our lives were fed well.
Sjáðu, ég setti sjáðu, setur allt sömur, upp í sig, já, setti allir upp í, hérna svona, sjáðu, og komdu með hendina, allir upp í þig, þeir eru svo hall og góð, hérna,
Bláber? Bláber, Jón Andri, smakkaðu.
Það vísti því að úrstin þessi? Jú, maður fær bara vatn í munni.
mikið langar mér kjötsúpu.
daginn.
Það var nokkuð 1.30, ekki?
Já. Ég var 1.15.
Jón Andri. Ekki gaman að fljúa? Já.
Stóra bílana.
Já, stóri bílarnir hann.
Þetta